Getting an endless stream of website visitors can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm going to show you the secrets to unlocking explosive growth with simple but effective traffic strategies. Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, and I've been in the startup world for a few years now. During this time, I have a ton of different strategies to get targeted website traffic that will kickstart your business. And in this video, I'm going to share my top 5 favorite tips and tricks with you so that you can grow your startup without having to break the bank. If you have a small business but don't know the first thing about crafting an effective marketing strategy, then this video is just for you. Grow your startup with these simple website traffic strategies. Materials required: 1. A computer with internet access. 2. A website for your startup. 3. Relevant social media accounts. 1. Optimize for search engines. Implement search engine optimization, SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Optimize your website's meta tags, headings, and content with these keywords to increase organic traffic. 2. Create high-quality content. Develop valuable and shareable content that resonates with your target audience. Publish blog posts, articles, videos, or infographics that address their pain points, provide solutions, or offer insights. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract more visitors to your website. 3. Leverage social media. Build a strong presence on social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. Share engaging content, participate in relevant conversations, and interact with your followers. Use social media advertising to reach a wider audience and drive traffic back to your website. 4. Guest blogging. Seek opportunities to write guest blog posts for reputable websites in your industry. By contributing valuable content to other platforms, you can increase brand exposure and drive traffic back to your website through author bio or links within the article. Ensure that the websites you choose have an audience similar to your target demographic. 5. Monitor and analyze. Keep track of your website traffic and analyze your data to identify patterns and trends. Use tools like Google Analytics to determine which strategies are generating the most traffic and make adjustments as needed to optimize your efforts. Closing remarks and call to action. That's it for my top 5 simple website traffic strategies for startups. Try incorporating these tactics into your marketing efforts and watch your website traffic grow. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Share your success stories or questions in the comments below, and let's help each other grow our startups together.